La Sportiva, I don't know why you don't sponsor us. We love your shoes. These Bushidos, we all have them, except for Tassie and Jiraiya, because they don't make them in kids size, but it's annoying because when we go to put on our shoes, it's hard to tell whose are whose. And these shoes, luckily we all have a little bit different size feet, but these shoes have been through maybe 1,000 miles of hiking. I mean, look at them. They're like so falling apart. Like the metal rips into your foot, our toe sticks out, but they're the most amazing shoes and they're so darn expensive that we had to save up a ton to get new ones. So these are the most badass hiking slash running shoes ever.
How amazing is it to have new shoes?
I have a Christmas tree on my feet.
I can run really fast now.